This video was produced by the UCD Maths Support Centre in conjunction with the UCD Access Centre. In this video, we're going to take a look at two more theorems to do with triangles. The first is that for any triangle, it can be seen that the largest angle is opposite the largest side, and the smallest angle is opposite the smallest side. Conversely, the largest side is opposite the largest angle, and the smallest side is opposite the smallest angle. So in this triangle here, if we match up our angle B to our side little b, C to little c, and A to little a, if angle A is the largest angle in this triangle, then that means that A, this red line, is the longest side. And if C is our smallest angle, then the length C is our smallest side. Also, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle has to be greater than the length of the third side. This allows us to state the following theorem, that two sides of a triangle are together greater than the third. This theorem is sometimes called the triangle inequality theorem. So what it means is, in this picture here, we have a triangle and we've labeled our sides A, B, and C. But what we have to have is that A plus B is bigger than C. A plus C has to be bigger than B. And B plus C has to be bigger than A. The reason for this can be seen, I'll try draw it over here. If we have the one length of a triangle, let's draw it here, and let's call it A. If we then have two lengths that are smaller than A, we can't actually draw a triangle from them. So if I have a length here, say of length B, which is, say, this length here, if we lie it flat, and say I have another length, call it C, if we lie it flat. So here we can see that the length of C plus the length of B is actually smaller than A. We can still see some little bit of red in there. And what we see is when we try to draw a triangle, these two lines don't actually ever reach each other. In order for them to reach each other, one of them has to be bigger, or the two of them added together have to be bigger than the length A. So if we have A, and we then draw in B, which is, say, this long here, so it can go this far, and then say we have a length C, which is this long, the length C can meet the length B up here to create a triangle. And the reason that happens is because our length B here, this blue line, plus the length of this green line is bigger than the length of our original red line here.